So, welcome back. Today we're looking about chow mein. So, I heated a pot with a little butter. I have already minced my chicken breast. I add my chicken breast now, stirring so it won't stick in the pot. I can't control the pot. And that's my seasoning that I'm going to add. So now you see me adding the seasoning and I'm stirring it well. Mm-hmm. Smells good, right? Mmm. See, that's beautiful, right? Adding my cheese. This is mozzarella and Parmesan. I added some carrots. Now I'm gonna do my noodles. I added a little butter so that it doesn't stick. Also added some salt and added my spaghetti. See? Perfecto. And then all